Good morning, dear children. Now, today we are going to start our new chapter, that is chapter 13, Nuclei. Here, listen me carefully. This chapter, Nuclei, is of our NCERT book, chapter number 13. Chapter 13, that is Nuclei. Write down the name of chapter. Here, first I want to introduction of this chapter with few facts. That is introduction of our chapter. Here I can say in the last chapter we have noticed that atomic nucleus was discovered. Atomic nucleus was discovered by Rutherford, that we have seen earlier, with the study of large angle scattering of alpha particle from the metal foils, that we have seen. Or in that experiment, we noticed that the atomic mass is a central core. Atomic mass is a central core of every atom, which contain entire positive charge, and more than 99% of the mass of the atom. Size of the atom is around 10 raised to the power minus 10 meter. Size of the atom is around 10 raised to the minus 10 meter, while that the size of the atomic nucleus is 10 raised to the power minus 15 meter, that we have seen. This is the size of the atom and size of the here. The most of the space around the nucleus of an atom is an empty space, that we know. Now in this chapter we shall study the constituents of the nucleus, the composition of the nucleus we are going to see, and how they are held together. Also we see the size, mass, stability of the nucleus, density of the nucleus, that we are going to see in this chapter. First I want to clarify what do you mean by atomic mass. Here the first thing which I want to say, that is atomic mass. What is the meaning of it? I want to say that the instrument designed to find out the atomic mass is called mass spectrometer. Mass spectrometer. With the help of this instrument, we can find out atomic mass. Here, the unit in which atomic mass and nucleus mass are measured is AMU, atomic mass unit. The atomic mass can be measured in a unit that is called AMU, atomic mass unit, and one atomic mass unit is defined as 10 is defined as 1/12 of the mass of an 1/12 of the mass of an atom of the mass of an atom, write down, of the mass of an atom of 6C12 isotope. This is called 1 atomic mass unit, and that is equal to the 1 atomic mass unit is equal to 1 AMU is equal to 1.67 into 10 raised to power minus 27 kg. Remember this. This is equal to 1 atomic mass unit. Okay. So, what do you mean by electron volt? One more new thing in this chapter. That is, what is EV? What do you mean by EV? Electron volt. That is EV. Dear children, it is the unit of energy. Electron volt is the unit of energy that we are defining. Here I can say 1 electron volt is the energy gained by 1 electron volt is the energy gained by an electron. Energy gained by an electron when accelerated through an potential difference of 1 volt. Write down this definition. You can see here the 1 electron volt is the energy gained by an electron when accelerated through a potential difference of 1 volt. Here we know very well the formula of work done, that is equal to charge into potential. Charge into potential. Here, write down. This is the work done here. So 1 EV, 1 electron volt. I can write here 1 electron volt. Charge of an electron is 1.6 into 10 raised to power minus 19 coulomb. This is the charge here. Into potential is 1 volt. Here it is coulomb. So this is equal to 1.6 into 10 raised to power 19 joule. Here 1 electron volt is equal to 1.6 into 10 raised to power minus 19 joule. Write down. If you want to write down in million electron volt, 1 MeV, that is equal to 10 raised to power 6 electron volt, and that is equal to 1.6 into 10 raised to power minus 13. 6 कम हो जाएगा 19 से. That is in joule. These are the points which we will use in numericals of this chapter. Write down all the things. ये 1 नंबर का क्वेश्चन है बच्चों और CBSE एग्जाम. Define 1 electron volt. Now, write down what is the relation between atomic mass unit and MeV. What is the relation in between atomic mass unit AMU and MeV, million electron volt? 1 AMU कितने के बराबर होता है? According to the Einstein mass energy relation, I can write E is equal to mc square. This is the formula given by Einstein. Here, the mass of 1 AMU, अभी भी मैंने बताया आपको 1.67 into 10 raised to power minus 27. Write down here 1.67 into 10 raised to power minus 27. 1 AMU is equal to this one. And velocity of light 3 into 10 raised to power 8 meter per second. Multiplied both. So you will get it 1.49 into 10 raised to power 10 joule. This is the for 1 AMU, or we know very well, अभी भी बताया मैंने आपको 1 million electron volt. That is 1.6 into 10 raised to power minus 13 joule. This is equal to 1 AMU. So we can say, so E comes out to be, इसको divide करिए, E comes out to be here. We can write 1.49 into 10 raised to power minus 10 divided by 1.6 into 10 raised to power minus 13. That is million electron volt. That is equal to लगभग आ जाएगा बच्चों 931 MeV. So this result also you know. याद रखिएगा इसको भी. So 1 atomic mass unit is equal to 931 MeV, million electron volt. Okay. Now we are going to see another very important part of our chapter, that is composition of nucleus. That is composition of nucleus. For that there are two theories proposed. Composition of nucleus. Here. Composition of nucleus. Here we are having two theories. First one is proton-electron hypothesis. Proton-electron hypothesis. What is that? It is the old theory. This was put forwarded by in the year 1930. ये theory बच्चों 1930 में प्रपोज की गई. On the emission of alpha and beta particles from the nuclei of radioactive elements. उससे ये theory discover की गई that we are going to see. The positive charge in the nucleus, is called protons. The positive charge in the nucleus is called protons. Protons carries a fundamental unit positive charge. Protons carries a fundamental unit positive charge, and it is stable. Inside the nucleus. Second one, an electron carries a negative charge. Electron carries a unit negative charge, and its mass is negligible. Its mass is negligible compared to that of protons. लिख लो. Mass of the electron is negligible compared to the mass of the proton. According to this theory, proton-electron hypothesis, the nucleus of an atom, nucleus of an atom of mass number A, a nucleus of an atom of mass number A, atomic number Z, mass number A, atomic number Z, is made up of A protons. and A minus Z electrons. And A minus Z electrons. This is the theory. लिख लो ये. A minus Z electrons are there. Okay? And every atom is electrically neutral. Every atom is electrically neutral. So it must contain Z more electrons. It must contain Z more electrons. This is proton-electron hypothesis. They revolve around the nucleus in a circular orbit. Electrons revolve around the nucleus in a circular orbit. But this theory was rejected due to some important reason. What was the reason? But this theory was rejected due to some important reasons. That is, first, why this theory rejected? First one is, according to the de Broglie hypothesis. According to the de Broglie hypothesis, we can say if an electron to exist inside the nucleus, if the electron exists inside the nucleus, it should possess energy around 20 million electron volt to 200 million electron volt. इतनी एनर्जी होना चाहिए. According to de Broglie, if electron exists inside the nucleus, it must possess such a huge amount of energy. But the energy of the electron emitted during the beta decay is only 2 to 3 billion electron volt energy. So, इतनी energy आ रही है electrons की. So, existence of electron inside the nucleus. Existence of electron inside the nucleus could not explain. Okay, the existence of electron could not explain here or not justified. Okay, so this is the main reason. One more reason is there. Write down. The observed value of nuclear spin. The observed value of nuclear spin or angular momentum the observed value of nuclear spin or angular momentum of the nuclei rule out the possibility of existence of electron inside the nucleus. ये value भी match नहीं कर रही है theoretically and practically. Okay, so this is the reason. Due to this theory was rejected. Then after some time, a new scientist came, Chadwick, and he proposed a new theory with the discovery of neutron. So with the discovery of neutron, what is neutron? A neutron is a neutral particle. लिखो. A neutron is a neutral particle. A neutron is a neutral particle. No charge. Neutral particle, it means it is a no charge, but having a mass roughly equal to the mass of proton. लेकिन इसका mass जो है लगभग प्रोटॉन के मास के बराबर है. This particle was discovered by Chadwick. और इसके लिए इनको नोबेल प्राइज भी मिला था. They got Nobel Prize due to this. So dear children, Chadwick observed that when the beryllium is bombarded with alpha particles, here beryllium nucleus को alpha particles से bombardment करवाया गया. Some neutral particles, yes, some neutral radiations are radiated. Some neutral particles are coming out, which could knock out protons from like nuclei. So Chadwick estimated that mass of a neutron is roughly equal to the mass of the proton, nearly. इनकी टक्कर की वजह से कुछ न्यूट्रल पार्टिकल देखे गए, फर्स्ट ऑब्जर्व्ड बाय चैडविक. We can say a free proton is stable. Free proton is a stable particle, but a free neutron is an unstable particle. Free proton is a stable particle, but free neutron is an unstable particle and has a mean life of only 1000 seconds. उसकी लाइफ जो है बहुत कम है. तो न्यूट्रॉन is stable only and only inside the nucleus. However, neutron is stable only and only inside the nucleus. So what is the theory proposed by Chadwick? Let us see. So according to that is proton-neutron hypothesis. Proton-neutron hypothesis. See this. According to this hypothesis, according to Chadwick, a nucleus of mass number a nucleus of mass number A, एक ऐसा न्यूक्लियस जिसका मास नंबर A है, एटॉमिक नंबर Z, एटॉमिक नंबर Z. A nucleus of mass number A, atomic number Z, contains Z protons and A minus Z neutrons and A minus Z neutrons. As an atom is neutral, so number of electron must be equal to Z. Number of electron must be equal to Z. That is the number of proton inside the nucleus. That is the number of proton inside the nucleus. Okay? Again I am repeating, a nucleus of mass number A, atomic number Z, contains Z protons and A minus Z electrons. So this hypothesis explained all the discrepancies of proton electron hypothesis. जो पहली वाली hypothesis थी, उन सब की कमियां दूर की इसने, and suggest that a neutron is a neutral particle. लिख लो, a neutron is a neutral particle carrying no charge. Neutron is a neutral particle carrying no charge. Proton carries unit positive charge. The proton is slightly lighter. Proton is slightly lighter than neutron. लगभग बराबर होता है, लेकिन proton is slightly lighter than. तो mass of the proton जो होता है बच्चों लिखिए 1.6726 into 10⁻⁻27 kg. ये actual mass होता है proton का. While that of mass of the neutron, that is 1.6749. इतना सा कम है देखो अभी, into 10⁻⁻27 kg. इसलिए roughly equal मानते हैं अपन. This is the mass of the proton and neutron. It is slightly lighter. Okay? The proton and neutron may be regarded as two different charge states of the same particle. Two different charge states of the same particle. So we may call nucleon. Proton and neutron, they are called nucleon. They are called nucleon. So atom is electrically neutral. देखो, the number of electrons, as atom is electrically neutral, the number of electrons in an atom is equal to the number of proton inside the nucleus. Okay, number of electron लिखो, number of electron is equal to the number of protons. Here, so dear children, what do you mean by atomic number? Atomic number. It is the number of protons present inside the nucleus. It is the number of protons. Atomic number is the number of protons present inside the nucleus. It also equal to the number of electrons revolving around the nucleus. It is also equal to the number of electrons revolving in various orbits around the nucleus. It is represented by Z. Atomic number is represented by Z. Second one is mass number. Mass number of an element, it is the total number of protons. It is the total number of protons and neutrons. Mass number, it is the total number of protons and neutron. लिखिए, present inside the nucleus, and it is represented by A, capital A. This is the atomic number and mass number. So in an atom, देखो number of protons and number of electrons. Number of protons and number of electrons, that is equal to Z. So in an atom, number of protons is equal to the number of electrons, that will be represented by Z. And number of nucleons is capital A. So number of neutrons is A minus Z. Number of neutrons. सब लिख लीजिएगा, ये all are theory. So nuclei is a specific nucleus of an atom which is having atomic number Z and mass number A and can be represented by any nuclei. It's ZXA here. ZXA. X is the chemical name or chemical symbol. For example, if I take a simple example for gold, 79, लिखो 79 AU 197, क्या मतलब है इसका? 79 AU 197, it is a gold nucleus, contains 79 protons. It contains 79 protons. और डिफरेंस करिए दोनों का, 197 minus 79, that is 118. 118 is neutrons. Okay, so dear children, this is all about today. So this today's module was only introduction of nucleus. If you have any kind of problem, then ask. Yes, see and write. Tomorrow we have to see nuclear size and stability. Okay? Yes. Bye. Okay, बच्चों?